We're going to be making a Japanese paper lantern craft. And to do this, we're going to need a piece of paper that is 12 by 18, some markers to decorate, a paper puncher, a pair of scissors, a stapler, and a piece of string. To start out, we're going to fold our paper on the long sides about an inch. So I'm just going to guess. A good rule of thumb is to use your thumb. Your first knuckle is about an inch. Or if you have teeny tiny hands, maybe use the second part of your thumb. It does not have to be exact, but you should do your best to keep it straight. Now that we have our inch fold lines at the top and the bottom going lengthwise, we're going to fold our whole paper in half. So I'm going to line up the edges and fold it in half. I'm going to flip mine so my inch folds are on the outside. Now before I start cutting on my lantern, I want to take some time to decorate my lantern. Traditionally, these lanterns are for celebration, so I'm going to think of some happy lines. Just put a couple decorations with my colors. Now I can't forget about the other side. I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to do this side as well. Again, I'm making designs that appear to have a happier emotion for me. Okay, now that my designs are done, I'm ready to start cutting. I'm going to leave my paper folded, and the start and stop points for my cut is going to be down here on the fold, and I'm going to stop when I get up to where my inch fold lines go. And I want to keep my paper folded when I cut. And I'm going to space out my cuts about a half an inch to an inch wide. And I stop when I get to that fold up there. If I make a lot of teeny tiny strip cuts, my paper lantern is going to be a little bit weak. If I make wider cuts, like around the inch size, my lantern will be stronger. The next step, we're going to open up our paper and kind of fold it around so it's like a cylinder. I'm going to grab these two ends and pull them together. And I'm just going to have them overlap just a tiny bit, enough that I can staple them together. And I need to do the same thing on the bottom. So I'm going to overlap the ends just enough so that I can staple them. My lantern is almost ready. I need to take a paper puncher, and on the top of my lantern I'm going to punch a hole, one on this side and one straight across from it on this side. Then with my string, I'm going to place it through the holes and tie them together. Just a simple bow will be fine, or a double knot. And this is what I'm going to use to hang my lantern up. And now there you have it, your Japanese paper lantern craft.